At our schools, AI and technology isn't about replacing teachers. It's about giving us more time to be teachers, less time searching for resources, less time buried in administration, more time listening, reflecting, coaching and encouraging our students. Every child deserves to be challenged in every lesson, every day. But no two students are the same. Some are ready to take the next step. Some need a little more time. Some require a different explanation. Some simply need to know there's someone there who believes in them. As teachers, that's what we think about every time we walk into a classroom. Not just the curriculum, but how to help every child learn. That sounds simple, but it isn't. A classroom can be 15 different learning journeys happening at the same time, 15 different levels of confidence, 15 different opportunities to spark curiosity, and one teacher trying to make every moment count. Children are growing up in a world that will demand digital fluency, but it will also require curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, resilience, empathy and confidence. These are the qualities that technology can support, but only teachers can truly develop. So before we introduce technology into any of our classrooms, we ask ourselves, does this deepen understanding or thinking? Does it support and stretch every learner? Does it build independence rather than over-reliance? If the answer is yes, we embrace it. If it isn't, we don't. Our focus is screen value, not screen time. We won't adopt tech just because it's a trend, because for us, technology never comes first. Learning does. For every child, every lesson, always.